My orange cat is currently peer-reviewing my thesis, and based on the way he is chewing on the corner, he has found several significant flaws in my methodology. Your human changes the Wi-Fi password but forgets that you have a PhD in break-ins and a very stylish blue shirt. The heist is on. Would you like me to write a few? This cat is looking at that hairdryer. I can practically hear the dial-up internet connection sound. Cat looks like it is trying to follow a furniture assembly manual that was written in a language it doesn't speak. I told him we were going for a walk, but I think he realized halfway down the rug that he is, in fact, a potato. Back in the box you go, tiny sir.
What you doing in there?
Local track meet is looking a bit different this year, but the competition is fierce. One dog is... You realize mid-groom that you have absolutely no idea what you were doing or why your leg is over your head.
I'm sorry.
Your social battery is at 0%, but you still have to show up to the party. You're the only one in the friend group who didn't get the memo that we were supposed to stay in the anemone today. Honestly, the main character energy is exhausting. You try to use the bathroom in peace, but your cat thinks you are the entrance to Narnia. Your head says escape, but your DLC says no. Level 100 anti-theft system for a 2-pound dog. When you are 5 dog and... The human sets up a full Halloween display and expects you to be scared, but you just want to know if the blue... Battery is fully charged, but the kitten has reached 0%. It appears the food coma has officially won the battle. One moment you are living your best life at the buffet, and the next you are the buffet's centerpiece. This is... I hate it when the delivery guy is being a bit too aggressive about his 5-star rating.
너무 무서워해. 어떡해.
Every ginger cat wakes up and chooses chaos, but this one decided to skip the morning coffee and go straight for the home invasion. He really thought calling for backup would make him look like a tiger, only to realize his only weapon is a single brain cell in a dream. He saw the fan and decided that human rights were officially cancelled until the room reached a crisp 60 degrees. finally find the perfect sitting spot and your sibling decides it is actually a community. Your cat decides to glitch in the middle of a routine 3 a.m. grooming session. I think my tuxedo just rebooted. You're trying to stay mad, but then you hear the sound of the treat bag opening behind you. You hear a sound and your inner Gollum immediately takes over. Your 3 a.m. parkour session ends in a total system failure and you just have to lie there questioning every life choice that led to this moment. You stop the head scritches for 1 second and he immediately chooses violence. You're the designated spider hunter, but you're only here for the emotional support and the high altitude views.
Huh?
You are trying to be dramatic, but your sibling treats your leg like a chew toy. If I do not move, maybe he will think I am a piece of furniture.
She's chewing on your
That
tail,
face you
man.
make when you are rethinking all your life
He
choices.
said, what? I can't believe.
The neighbor brings home groceries and you have to see if they bought the expensive brand of tuna. Thinking the grass is greener on the other side until I realized I am the one.
Yeah, it's all bad.
You reach for the snack you dropped and accidentally enter the 4th dimension. Cat really just looked at the deep snow, said nope, and promoted itself to driver.
Nope, I'd rather go for a truck ride.
Laws of physics and the cat's dignity both left the chat at the exact same time.
Quick. Oh.
Your dinner has better security than a bank, but you are just here for the snacks.
Oh my God. What is that?
Look at this. We're flying together. Hi, buddy. Can I pet you? Oh my gosh, it's so soft.
You try to throw out the trash, but the trash keeps trying to parkour its way back into your life.
Huh? Huh?
Calculated for 10 minutes and forgot to carry the 1. Gravity 1, Orange Cat 0. The personal trainer said we were going to hit the treadmill today. I think there was a slight misunderstanding of the word hit.
Ia uitați-vă ce fac urșii ăștia. S-a dus la mașină la sfârșit. N-am mă ce să-ți dau. N-am mă ce să-ți dau, mă. Nu am ce să-ți dau.
You have the spirit of an athlete but the spatial awareness of a potato. Try to be productive, but the universe and gravity have other plans. 1 second you are meal prepping, the next you are questioning every life choice while staring at a floor covered in kibble. Bon appetit to the floor.
It's alright. Good, Apple? Is it good? Yeah.
Your friend says they are fine, but you know they need a 5-minute aggressive scalp massage to realign.
Is it? Oh, dear me.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no.
You accidentally open a bag of chips in a room full of kittens, and now you are the chosen one but also slightly concerned for your safety. Cat decides the vacuum isn't a mortal enemy but actually a giant, interactive noodle that needs a firm wrestling lesson. This is either a brave warrior or a very confused intern trying to help with the... Gravity just reminded this cat that suction cups have their limits. Sneeze is loading, but it keeps glitching at 99%. You order a deer from Wish and it arrives in 112 scale. Find the start of the toilet paper roll and decide to take the whole thing on a world tour. Your Bengal cat finally meets the final boss and realizes he might have skipped a few too many.